good. Hey, what's up? Oh my God. The the river at Bicol. Thank you for, oh my God, sunny now. Working, working. Oh my God. Thank you, 3 people. Oh my God. Working, working a lot. And I'm needing more than Thank you for the thumbs up. Hi, Vance. Hello, Vance. Stay cool. What? Ano? 4 people. 4 million. Nicaragua. Jairo from Nicaragua. Seven people here, I think. Walking. Saan lakad mo? Punta ako sa kabilang sityo. Kasi may bakuna ngayon. Malayo. Sadyain. Nilalakad ko sa ano ba yan? Parang nabulol na. Kailangan kong lakarin to kasi shortcut to, mabilis. Kasi kapag sasakay ako, iikot mahal. Mahal magbayad ng sakayan. Saka mas matatagalan kapag sasakay pa. Dito, mabilis lang. Few minutes. Nandyan. Ayan. The river. Oh my God. Look at the river. Clear water. The clear water. Maapolo yung tubig dito sa amin. Yan. Sagana sa tubig. Rich and minerals. Yan. Saan ka daw nakatira? Bicol. I'm living in Bicol province. Working every day. No. Thank you. 5 people. Exercise, walking. Backpack. Look. Nakapunta na ako dyan sa Albay. Sorsogon po ako. Sorsogon pa ako banda. Ningal ako. New store. Hi, Sir Pat. Good morning po, Sir Pat. Good morning, Cheryl. Good to see you. Thank you po. Good evening from Columbus, Indiana, USA. Thank you, Sir Pat, for joining po. Aray. Pagod. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Pat. Walking. You're welcome. Walking. Good day for exercise. Yes po. Good day for exercise. Hello, Ariel. Hi, Ariel. Aray, now. Thank you, 10 people. Hola, hola. Hola, Pedro. Hola. Luis, Carlos. Working good. Thank you, 5 people. Where Mike? I don't know where Mike is. Maybe he's sleeping or I don't know what he's doing now. Sir Pat. Here. Right. Maybe he's sleeping again or do something. Thank you, 12 people. Ayan. Walking. I'm walking. Magandang umaga. Hi, Biglan. I'm walking at the Biglan. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Thank you, Biglan. Oh my God. Oh my God. Thank you po. 13 people. Jojo. Hi, Jojo. 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 6 people. Hit the likes. Thank you so much. Thank you, Biglan. I seen when you done a few days ago. The rainstorm was very strong, windy, and your place was that the typhoon Cheryl? Yes, yes po, Sir Pat. The typhoon Ada here in Bicol hit the Bicol province. Typhoon Ada. Super chat, super stickers, and membership are available. Everyone, tap the dollar sign on the lower right on your screen, guys. Thank you, Biglan. Don't forget to like and subscribe, everyone. Thank you. No, Randall. Hi, Biglan from Surpat. Yes. Strong wind, the typhoon Ada. Oh my God. That from Biglan. Aray. Shout out. Hi, Surpat. Oh my God. Sana wag umulan. Hope no rain because I have no umbrella. Oh my God. Hi, Kevin. Morning. Morning. Beautiful view. We got little snow, Columbus, in Jana, USA. Wow. Snowfields in America. Sir Pat. Hope your day is well, Charlie. Yes. My day is good day. Good vibes here. Why does it hurt so? We got few months till spring and summer. Yeah. Few months summer here. Like March or April, maybe summer here in Philippines. I will be in Philippines, really, pa? Oh my God! Welcome to the Philippines, Sir Pat. Wow. Welcome po, Sir Pat, to the Philippines. Why did it hurt me so? Fourth time coming back, my friend. Wow, that's great. Oh my God. 4 times. I was in my 20s when I come to Philippines year 2005, 2006. Oh my God. Really nice to see, nice to hear that to, Sir Pat. Good to hear. Maybe someday I will be able to visit your beautiful country with all of the beautiful people. Yes, welcome here, Sir Kevin. Mike Connell had some wonderful times in Philippines. Yeah, wonderful time. Choo-choo. Oh my God. Bye-bye po. Thank you so much. I know, no, not bye-bye pa. Potik is much. Ah, hi, John B. John B. Hello, John. Yari ko. Naimod ko pa lang ikaw. Yadi ka na? Ha? Nagbara. Naimod ko pala ikaw dito sa ano na mo yung kuha. Yadi ka na. May bakuna dito sa kalian. Mga bata. Dito na ako yung shortcut dito. Aray! Aray. Oh my God. Philippines is beautiful. The sooner you visit, the better. Yes! Welcome to the Philippines, Sir John B. John B, welcome. Hi, hello. FP. Hi, FP. So sweet. Sweet. Something. Ano yun? Ora na. Sapat na sa akin ang nalalaman ko. Good day, Cheryl. Yeah. Cheryl, good day to you again. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Ano yun? Pero di ang bakunahan. Morning. Hello. Bye-bye. Good morning. Hello. May pera di ang bakunahan sa iyo daghan? Daghan ang bakunahan di sa iyo? Mga pera. Ay, hindi ko man naka-alive na ako.
Kaya magkamangkod, gusto kami ni Patricia dito eh.
Malang.
Ang book lang, kung sigurado ano yun.
Ah.
Kaya ini talaga, oh. Baka naman ini kayo, ini sa ano na.
Wala, pira buyag ho.
Pero biya.
Pira buyag. Bye-bye. Bye po. Thank you for